What's up, everybody? This is Carolina Mike, also known as Michael Malloy. But you know what? I don't care what you call me as long as you hit that like button and please subscribe so you can be made aware of the latest and greatest videos. Stay tuned for an unboxing of the iOttie cell phone car mount with key or Qi charging. Oh yeah.
I pay all my bills on time.
No, you don't.
I pay all my bills on time.
No, you don't.
I pay all my bills on time. I pay all my bills on time.
Stop lying.
I pay all my bills on time.
For real?
I pay all my bills on time.
Come on.
I pay all my bills on time.
I'm back and I'm gonna do an unboxing here, and I'm also having dinner. Yep. And a little after work beverage. So sit back, relax with me, and let's dig into the unboxing. Tear along perforation. Oh yeah. Ooh, look at that. Here we go. Shablam. There we go. The iOttie Easy One Touch Wireless 2 Wireless Charging Car Mount, Dash, and Windshield. I'm gonna mount mine to the dash. So let's check it out. How are you all doing today? If you have a good day at work or at school or at home or whatever it is that you do, I just hope you had a good time no matter what, because life's too short to do anything else than have a good time. Ooh, look at that. So a lot of the ones that I've been reviewing have had like a leather look here, but this is just smooth, so that's interesting. All right, what we got? We've got your holder, like a suction plate, comes with a car charger and a USB cable. Let's just go ahead and pop in there. Let's just get to it. There we go. Oh, things are falling out. Oh, there's stuff. There's that. Okay, here's what's in the box. Take it away, box. Alright, there's a notice in here. Due to past vehicle recalls for dashboards that crack, peel, and become sticky, if you have Lexus or Toyota vehicles from the list below. Oh, snap. So I don't have any of those vehicles. So apparently watch out if you get a sticky dashboard. Alrighty. Now, I need an instruction manual with all sorts of cool stuff in there. Alright. We got your base. You can rinse it with water, apparently, if you want to, like if you lose your suction or something. Okay. Feels pretty solid. I mean, it's hard plastic, but it feels super solid. That's for sure. So you push the lever down to lock it into place. Okay. So there's that deal. And then you got this deal, which apparently you stick it to your dash. Hey, it wasn't sealed up. What's up with that? So peel and stick, and then this would stick onto here, suction it down, and then there you go. And then the main star of the show. Oh, they have it. You gotta untwist this deal here. Get away. And then apparently this Goes on here like this, and here, let's loosen this up. Stick this in here, and then we tighten. So this thing feels really solid. And there you go. You can do your thing. You can rotate, yada yada. And I am getting this for my Galaxy S10 Plus. Which is right over here. So let's see, and I've got a case on it. It's a Spigen crystal clear case. Mad props out to Spigen. And so apparently push in here to extend it. And then you smack your phone in. Oh, well, apparently I have to adjust the feet. Imagine that. Let's see. There is a push. Oh, I can't get it. Maybe I should read the instructions. Oh, there we go. So it's like this. Here, let's get this. There. So you push here, and then is that as far out as it goes? That's going to be an issue. Doesn't give you very much to extend. Well, so anyway, you take your phone and you smack it in the cradle, and then you push. Let's do that again so you can hear it snap. So you set your phone in, boom, snaps into place. I don't think that's going anywhere anytime soon. But here's the deal. Excuse me. We need to see if this thing is going to be positioned correctly to charge my S10 Plus. So, we'll take this out. Oh, interesting. Is this all one unit? What's up with that? That's kind of wacky. Pretty sure the box showed something different. Maybe not. Let's see. Oh no. Okay. It's all together. So, and we're doing. It's micro USB. It'd be nice if that was USB-C. But I just want to see if we can get a charge. So let me grab another charging cable. And we'll go this route. See if we actually get a charge. Where is that? And here we go. Helps if you put it in the right way. There you go. And then I got a green. Oh, I heard it go bloop. So there's the green light, which you can't really see if you're, unless it's nighttime, because it's behind the phone. So that'd have been nice if it was like somewhere else. But it is charging, and it's fast charging. Very good. It says fast charging right there. Yeah, there we go. Good deal. I guess there's nothing left to do now besides get it out to the car. All right, and we're back. We got it fully installed here in the 2013 Hyundai Accent. I forgot to mention it does have a telescoping mechanism. There's a little knob under here that you can use to adjust that. Build quality is super nice. I mean, it looks nice and sleek, and even though it's plastic, it's like super hard plastic, so it feels very durable. You know, this isn't going anywhere. So I got my phone here, the S10 Plus, and I went ahead and plugged in my audio cable just as a point of reference to make sure that I installed it properly here. So we're gonna set it in the cradle there and slide it up against that, and then we're just gonna push. There we go. And we can see that it is fast charging, which is super awesome. And let's go ahead and see what navigation looks like. So there's navigation, and I'm gonna rotate it. And you got that ball joint, so you can, we'll tilt up, tilt down, left, right, to your liking. And I feel like it's a pretty solid installation here. Just make sure that you watch out for your audio jack here. And my Bixby button was kind of giving me a little bit of issues. I had to adjust the feet, and I was afraid that it wouldn't charge, but it's still charging. And we're good to go. We'll see how charging goes when we start using things and driving around. This charger does have an extra slot, but it doesn't say whether it's what amperage it is. I presume it's not going to be fast charging. At least it did not when I just had a fast charging cable plugged in to the phone directly from here. It did not fast charge. All right, so I would have to give this a so far I'd give it about a 9.5 out of 10, and we shall see how things go for the long haul. All right, so thanks for tuning in. This is Carolina Mike saying, I don't really care what you call me. You can call me Carolina Mike or Michael, as long as you like, subscribe, and tune back in to see what else happens. Have a good one, y'all.
I pay all my bills on time. 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 I pay all my bills on time.